guys, welcome back to my channel. And you might be wondering why I always say channel, because I think every videos that I upload, I also upload this on my YouTube account. So if you have a YouTube account, don't forget to subscribe, and I will subscribe back. Oh, seen this. Anyways, this is a cactus from the mail last month, I think. Sorry, I haven't bothered to review this one. And this is a 36 Music Smart Home Wireless Doorbell. So this is the manual, which is good. This is I have to like this. This, it says smart dude. That's so cool. Now this one, I'm sorry, we really need this one because we don't have doorbell here in the apartment. I think every apartment has no doorbell. I'm not sure, because way back in Alaska, we live in the apartment and they don't have doorbell as well. So I guess I'm not really sure. So anyways, it says 36 Music, so they have like 36 variety of music. You can choose from whatever you want. Just have to plug it in. This is the speaker, and it's all handy because look, it's just so small. See? Anyways, and the second one is flashlight. I think it says Vansky. They have a cool name though. Vansky, smart dude. This is the flashlight. Yeah, I like it because it's small. I like it. So handy, you can just bring it anywhere. So you can just bring it like this. And you have to press the button. Yeah, you might be wondering, yeah, it's just a flashlight. It's no big deal, but it's really a big deal for me because way back in my hometown, we always don't have electricity for some reason. I don't know why. So we need flashlight every now and then. But so yeah. And you can just twist this. So you can change the battery or something. Just twist it all the way and then you can change the battery. So that's why I like it. So anyways, so it's very useful. They're very useful to your house. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and you can comment suggestion or anything, or you can just say hi, something like that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Joy signing off. Bye.